Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to design a matte foundation by Stat.Foundation software. For this, just create a geometry of your building and go to General, provide all the properties, property of beam, column, and slab thickness to the structure. Then go to Support and provide all the supports. Then go to Load and Definition and provide all the loads. I'm providing a dead load and live load and all the combinations related to dead load and live load to the structure. After that, just analyze this structure with a zero error. Error must be zero, and the analysis for foundation design. After the analysis, just go to foundation design, include all load cases, and click on run stat.foundation. Go to job setup, create a new job, provide a job name. I'm providing matte foundation. Select a job type as matte. Design code will be Indian. SI unit assigned to all support and include all the load cases. In matte foundation, include all the load cases except the horizontal forces, like do not include individual seismic load or wind load, but you have to include the dead load and live load for the calculation. Okay, and then click on create job. After the create job, just go to matte foundation job and default properties. In default properties, provide slab thickness, slab analysis thickness, and design thickness separately. I'm providing 300 mm for the both. Soil separate modulus, I'm taking just around 23,000. Soil density, I'm taking 18. It all depends on the soil condition of your site. Then go to mesh generation. If there is pile present below the mat, then you have to provide the pile situation. If there is no pile, then no need to provide. And go to add meshing region and select add rectangular region. In a rectangular region, just provide a coordinates of start point of that particular mesh or mat. I'm providing -1 as a x coordinate and -1 as a z coordinate. My building starting from 0 coordinate, and I just want to increase a 1 meter length from the start point of the building. So I'm providing a -1 coordinate as x and z because I want to increase the length or dimension of that particular mesh. And provide length as 14 meter. The width is also 14 meter. The dimension of my building is 12 meter. And I want to increase 1 meter both the sides. So I increase total 2 meters from for the building. Look at this. At the top, the dimensions 12 meter, and I just want to increase it for 1 meter. So I'm providing 14 meters. Then click on add region. Look at this, there is one region is created and which is 1 meter away from the start point. Then select this particular region and go to meshing setup. In meshing setup, you have to provide a mesh identifier, provide a name like ABC or matte. I'm providing a matte foundation, and then click on add. No space is accepting, so just provide a matte add. Look at this, matte is added in the meshing setup. Click on that particular matte Then go to target maximum. I'm providing zero point 0.5 and just select a unit as meter and then click on generate mesh. Okay, quadrilateral meshing. Look at this, mesh is generated and the dimension of the mat is 0.5 by 0.5 because we targeted maximum dimension as 0.5 meters. Now go to analyze property. Slab thickness, just provide a slab thickness. It will take which you provide and default properties. Go to soil property. You have to check on this particular box. Use soil substrate modulus. Then go to match slab analysis oblique design option and click on analyze. Look at this, mat is analyzed. Go to view output file and you can see a soil pressure, sow plate stresses. In soil pressure, you can see according to colors, the kilonewton per meter square soil pressure acting on your mat. Then go to movement envelope generation. In movement envelope generation, click on the long X and then click on generate movement envelope. Then go to the long Z direction. Okay, you have to select use all load case in this particular option. Select load type, use all load cases and then click on generate envelope. Go to the along Z direction, use all load cases and generate envelope. Then go to design parameters and select all the design parameters. I am providing FY 500 and FC 25. Top cover 60 mm, bottom cover 60 mm, minimum bar size 8, maximum bar size I am providing 16, maximum spacing I am providing 300 mm and minimum spacing 50 mm. Then click on design. Design processed. Go to reinforcement zoning. In reinforcement zoning, select a top longitudinal and click on create zone. Look at this, there is 3 zones are created because there is a 3 value in preferred zone reference count. The first one is a blue zone, then green zone and red zone. In blue zone, you have to provide a 10 mm dia bar at the rate of 219 mm center to center distance. At the green zone, you have to provide 8 mm dia bar 125 mm center to center distance. And at the red zones, just below the column or footing, 8 mm dia bar 111 mm center to center distance. Then top transverse or bottom longitudinal. Select a longitudinal bottom and then click on create zone. There is also 3 zones are created, the blue, green and red. In a blue zone, top longitudinal means, bottom longitudinal in X direction bottom reinforcement and top longitudinal in X direction top reinforcement. Okay, the green zone 12 mm dia bar 102 mm center to center distance and in a red zone 12 mm dia bar 58 mm center to center distance and transverse top, which means a Z direction reinforcement in top. Okay, then transverse bottom create zone. So like that we can design a mat foundation for any building structure. Go to calculation sheet for the calculations. You can find out all the parameters taken by the software and all the formulas in this particular calculation sheet. Movement capacity check, just go to the movement capacity check. Just go to the movement capacity check. For the movement capacity, plot capacity diagram. After the analysis, just go to the moment capacity check and click on the plot capacity diagram, plot moment diagram, and plot failure diagram. It will show you all these diagrams in a structure. Thanks for watching this.